Welcome to Diamondboxstudio's personal finance basics playlist named Finance Funda. This playlist is designed for those who are new to personal finance or just want to brush up on the basics. In this playlist, we'll cover everything from budgeting to saving and investing. 1. Budgeting 101. The first video in Finance Funda playlist is all about budgeting. Budgeting is the foundation of personal finance and is essential for managing your money. In this video, we'll cover the basics of budgeting, including how to create a budget, track your expenses, and set financial goals. 2. Saving strategies. Once you have a budget in place, it's time to start saving. In this video, we'll discuss different saving strategies, including the 50/30/20 rule and the envelope method. We'll also cover the importance of emergency funds and how to set one up. 3. Debt management. In this video of Finance Funda, we'll cover the basics of debt management. We'll discuss the different types of debt, such as credit card debt, student loans, and mortgages. We'll also cover strategies for paying off debt and improving your credit score. 4. Investing basics. Once you have your budget in place and have started saving, it's time to start investing. In this video, we'll cover the basics of investing, including different types of investments, such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. We'll also discuss the importance of diversification and risk management. 5. Retirement planning. Planning for retirement is essential for financial security later in life. In this video, we'll discuss the basics of retirement planning, including different retirement savings options, such as 401(k)s and IRAs. We'll also cover strategies for managing income and expenses in retirement. 6. Insurance basics. Insurance is an essential part of personal finance and can help protect you and your family from unexpected events. In this video of Finance Funda, we'll cover the basics of insurance, including different types of insurance, such as health insurance, life insurance, and auto insurance. 7. Estate planning. Estate planning is an important part of personal finance that many people overlook. In this video of Finance Funda, we'll discuss the basics of estate planning, including creating a will, setting up a trust, and designating beneficiaries. Congratulations, you've made it to the end of our Finance Funda intro video. You're one step closer to becoming a financial mastermind and taking control of your money. But we need your help to spread the word and make this playlist a success. So hit that subscribe button, like and share our videos, and urge your family and friends to do the same. Let's create a movement of financially savvy individuals who are crushing their money goals and building a brighter financial future. And if you're thinking, I'll just watch one video and come back later to subscribe, don't even think about it. Trust us, once you watch one video, you'll be hooked and won't want to miss a single one. So buckle up and get ready for a wild ride of personal finance knowledge. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video of Finance Funda. Bye bye until then, stay connected.